In this video, I will teach you how to add custom order status in WooCommerce. By default, WooCommerce gives you statuses like pending, processing, and completed, but sometimes your business needs something extra, like awaiting pickup, packaging, or ready for delivery. So this is a way for you to set it up. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard. This because WooCommerce is part of WordPress. So go ahead and type in wordpress.com on your browser. And if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on this Get Started button right here to sign up to WordPress. But if you already have an account, you can pretty much click on this Login button right here beside Get Started and type in your username and your password. Now the dashboard looks like this. This is the dashboard of a site that you have created using WordPress. So inside this, all you have to do is to go right here on the left hand sidebar and scroll down until you see plugins just below appearances. And then click on this add plugin right here. And in the search bar, you just have to type custom order status for WooCommerce. Then it will show you results of plugins that you can install. Let's say this one, custom order status for WooCommerce. Just have to click on that and then install and activate it. After activation, go ahead and head over to the WooCommerce in here on the left sidebar and then go to settings. Then you will be able to see right here the custom order status. Just have to click on that specific tab. And in here, you can create a new order status by giving it a name. For example, awaiting pickup, packaging, or ready for delivery. So let's say completed right here and then on hold. So once everything is created, you can manually change any order to this new status. You can go ahead on the WooCommerce and then go to orders and you can change the status of the specific order right here. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.